Humans and society. Prehistoric period. Introduction. We live in the age of information technology. The mobile phones have literally put the world on our fingertips. The all encompassing knowledge that we process now, which has helped in the development of powerful technology, did not emerge all of sudden. The foundation of our modern life was facilitated by the development of the process of cognition among the human ancestors in the prehistoric age. Prehistoric people were the pioneers of creative knowledge. From the artifacts and the languages they developed, we are able to understand how intelligent they were. Origin of the earth and geological ages. The history of humans is closely related to the history of the earth. The earth contains geological, archaeological and biological records of historical times in its upper layers. They are important of reconstructing the history of the earth and various living organisms. The fossils of bones of the human ancestors are embedded in the earth's layer. Paleoanthropologists and archaeologists excavate the soil and rock layers on the earth and extract evidence about human ancestors. These layers and the fossils are scientifically dated to study the various stages in human evolution and prehistory. Through the gathered evidence, they attempt to understand the evolution of human history and developments in a chronological order. Archaeology is the study of human past through the analysis and interpretation of material remains. Paleoanthropology is the study of human ancestors and their evolution by the study of the fossil remains. The earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. Gradually, conditions emerged for the growth of organisms. Then planets and animals came into being. Again, thereby foundation was laid for the evolution of humans. The long span of time in the history of Earth is divided into eras, periods and epochs by the geologist. 1 billion equal to 100 crore, 1 million equal to 10 lakh. Australopithecines were the apes from which modern humans evolved. Now they are extinct but they are considered to be the close relatives of humans. Human inquiries into the past and origin of the world. The age of speculation. Humans are the only species on the earth concerned with understanding as well as explaining the world and the universe. In the course of evolution, humans became conscious and knowledgeable. They turned courageous and begin to think and ask questions about nature, organisms, and the world around them. At first, they considered nature as God. They worshipped sun, moon, and various natural forces about which they developed their own understanding, some of which is not scientific. The lack of scientific knowledge on the creation of the world is reflected in the ancient writing and religious literature. BCE, before Common Era. AD, CE, Common Era. Scientific foundations of geology, biology, and archaeology. The beginning of history writing can be traced to the ancient Greeks. Herodotus be traced to the Asia 484 minus 425 BC. BCE is considered the father of history because the history he wrote was humanistic and rationalistic. The rise of scientific inquiry into the origin of humans was possible because of the interest in collection of archaeological remains and the opening of museums after the Renaissance movement. The development of ideas of stratigraphy and geology. Darwin's theory of biological evolution. The discovery of human and animal fossils, stone tool, and artifacts of early civilization and the ability to decipher early scripts. Stratigraphy, the study of origin, nature and relationship of rock and soil layers that were formed due to natural and cultural activities.